Hi, good morning and welcome to my vlog. So today I have here a savory salad and I have a fruit salad from the can. So taste test guys, ito si chickpeas. I really like to eat chickpeas. I just even open a can of chickpeas and just eat it. You know, it's up to you if you're going to eat your chickpeas or not because chickpeas is really yummy. So guys, this is so yummy and it's so nutritious. Wow. This chickpeas is so good. Wow. Halika guys, kain tayo. And this is our fruit salad. Come on girls, lunch is ready. So this is so good. Wow. Good dessert. So these two salads are very easy to prepare. It's from the can. Fresh fruit and fresh vegetables, that's all you have to slice. But other than that, you just pour all the liquids and mix it. You make your own salad dressing. In my pantry, guys, I always have chickpeas and red kidney beans. Yes. And for my fruits, I always have this kind of fruit. So we have pineapple, peaches, and fruit cocktail. It's very easy to prepare. Kids love it. So, cheers. So this is our fruit salad for today. We have here pineapple, peaches, grapes, and fruit cocktail. And to our dressing, we are going to use that sour cream. But if you want a little bit of sweet, guys, you can add condensed milk. This is our salad. So we use chickpeas. We have here red beans, tomatoes, olives. Oh, I forgot to cut the olives. It's up to you guys if you want to cut it half. And these are the 3 colors of pepper. And our dressing is olive oil, vinegar, black pepper, and lemon. That's it. Bell pepper. So sa ating dressing, this dressing, it's just only a vinegar, balsamic vinegar. We have here olive oil, lemon, and black pepper. Oh, it's so yummy, guys. And in our fruit salad, we're going to use sour cream. But if you want to have a little bit sweeter in your salad, in your fruit salad, so add a condensed milk. For my fruit salad, guys, I would like to have a lot of peaches. So these are 2 cans of peaches. Yum yum. And grapes. This grapes is very, very sweet. So we are going to add this grapes. This grapes, guys, has a seed. But if you don't like the seed, get the seedless grapes. So this is a fruit cocktail. Pineapple. And for dressing, we're going to add this. So this is so yummy. Sour cream for our dressing. Yum yum, huh? So this is very simple. They are all just in a can except our grapes. I add the grapes here because this grapes is so sweet. You can add melon if you want. but it's so watery, guys. So this one is perfect. Fruit cocktail, peaches, and pineapple is good with me. So you just add this canned fruit. So we are going to add a lot of chickpeas in here. This one is not cut. Oh, it's not cooked. And green beans. Oh no, red kidney bean. So the chickpeas, and so guys, I would like to add a lot of chickpeas in my, and this is red kidney. There's a lot of beautiful kidneys, guys. It's up to you. This one, I don't like this kind, but since that's what we have here, so we're going to add it. And 3 kinds or 3 colors of bell peppers. And for your olives, it's up to you if you're going to cut your olives or not. Go ahead. Oh, I should have cut it, but well, guys, never mind. And tomatoes. But for your tomatoes, it's up to you if you're going to add the seeds or not. So it's your choice, guys. Now, oh, look at that. Wow. I think I would just like to add all of the chickpeas. And to our dressing, I like this dressing. Next, that's it. This is good for lunch. And this is good for in-between meals, you know. If you're hungry, then you can eat this. I like chickpeas. If you like to add corn, go ahead, add corn. If you like cheese, then that would be great. But this, guys, this is good for now. Since these are the available vegetables I have, but it's perfect. Wow. Okay, kain na tayo. So these 2 salads are very easy to prepare. It's from the can. Fresh fruit and fresh vegetables, that's all you have to slice. But other than that, you just pour all the liquids and mix it. You make your own salad dressing, or you can use the bottle dressing. You have choices, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button there, and welcome to Jennifer's Clubhouse. Bye! Good morning, guys, and welcome to Mommy's Vlog. Today I have here a savory salad and a fruit salad for our lunch. You can make this one in advance, or you can just pour it at once, you know, but make sure you discard the water. So thank you for watching. Sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, please click the subscribe button, guys, and welcome to Jennifer's Clubhouse. Okay, come on, sweetie. This is so good. Come, I'm done. Oh, I love your lips. What did you do in your lips? Hi, good morning, and welcome to my vlog. So today I have here a savory salad, and I have a fruit salad from the can. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay until the end, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Bye. Okay, come on, sweetie. Here. We have 2 salads.